Hello Hannah. In this video I'm going to show you what my small students play for technical exercises. So normally we play a scale, similar motion, then we play contrary motion, then we play chords with inversions, then broken chords, lone arpeggio, and finishing everything with chromatic scale. I'm going to show you how they play the whole set based on A major, for example. So it's going to be slow tempo, working with each finger. Chromatic contrary motion will play from unison. Then chords with inversions. Broken chords. Lone arpeggio. And chromatic scale. So that's it for the beginners. In the future they are playing the same but faster, in faster tempo, and also that's not 2 octaves, 4 octaves. So the next step is to play the same, more advanced level, to play the same but 4 octaves. And contrary motion we are playing not from unison but 1 octave apart. Also we are not playing crescendo and diminuendos when we are playing scales, because we are concentrated only strong fingers, correct technique. With broken chords we are adding correct ending, like a twist in the end, and also here. So I'm going to play everything in one go. The set that my more advanced students supposed to play. It could be still a slow tempo, but it should be played correctly. A big hand, so that's okay to, if it's possible to play big chords, he or she will be playing like that. Otherwise it will be just the short chords. I'm going to play big chords. Then broken chords. Lone arpeggio. When they play lone arpeggio, I want it to be still very good legato, not shitting like this. So we will have these jumps. And then 4 octaves chromatic scale. So that's it for the next level. And the last stage, everything needs to be played in a good tempo. Also, all inversions fall arpeggios, not only from A, but also from C sharp and from E. Would be good to add dominant 7 and diminished 7. Everything with chromatic scale.